Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to manage deadlines with Dola AI in 2026. Deadlines are easy to miss when you're managing multiple projects, assignments, meetings, and personal responsibilities. Dola AI can help you keep important deadlines visible by organizing them through your calendar and reminders. First, open Dola AI and make sure your supported calendar is connected. Start by identifying the deadlines you need to track, including work projects, assignments, bills, applications, or other important tasks. To create a deadline reminder, simply tell Dola what needs to be completed and when. For example, you can say, "Remind me to submit the project report Friday at 5 p.m. When creating a deadline, be specific. Include the task name, exact date, and time whenever possible. This makes the reminder easier to understand and reduces the chance of scheduling confusion. For larger projects, don't wait until the final deadline to start working. Create smaller milestones leading up to the final date. For example, you could schedule research, first draft, review, and final submission as separate tasks. You can also create preparation reminders before the actual deadline. For example, set one reminder several days before the deadline to check your progress and another reminder on the final day.